Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Alice. So now it's the autumn time season. The weather is getting cold. I hope everything's fine. So today I just want to show you some of my watercolor details. Actually, I've shown some of my works before, like my sketchbook, what I have done, lots of artworks before, and some crafts. But today I just want to show you like some details of one particular artwork. So let's have a look. Okay, let's go. Okay, so let's have a look at these two different ones. Both these two are the watercolor paper pad. For this one, it's like it's cold pressed, which means that if I can show you the particular page, then maybe you have yeah. You see the surface. So this one is cold pressed, which are suitable for most of the artworks. So like the landscape and with the people. So this is the one. So this pink one, it's also like suitable for the paper pad and it's acid free, but it's like the hot pressed. So hot pressed means it's more details and more smooth. If you can have a look, it's like this. If you can see it clearly. So for this one, we can do some like very details artworks. Let me have a look. So this one, this is the only one which I did in this hot pressed. So it's also like more difficult than the cold press because the cold one is like more suitable for most of the works. And yeah, so this is the one which I showed before. You can see it's more easier to get into the watercolor area, use the cold pressed, and you can just like do like the landscape drawings and so also like the people's. Yeah, this is the one, and the one which I showed today, oh yeah, it's here. Yeah, it's this one. So this piece of work, it's also like the similar concept between human beings and the environment. So this piece of work, you can see I've divided into three different parts. The top part is about like the sky, and the main body area is like the forest and lots of plants and trees. So here is the sea. So yeah, this is the basic concept. Okay, so for the watercolor painting, the most important part is not the watercolor set, but the paper. It's very tricky one, right? I used to think the watercolor set is the most important part, so I need to like focus on the watercolor set, but actually not, because they have different paper, which I said like the cold pressed, the hot pressed, so that it's easier for us to choose which one we gonna like choose. Yeah, the whole painting took me around 4 hours. Yeah, so from the concept until the whole coloring. So okay, let's go. Okay, so let's start with the first part. It's the sketch part. So for this sketch part, I could easily to know what kind of the images I want to present. And the paper which I use for this one is just the drawing paper. It's quite smooth and it's really good for the pencil, pen, and pastel. So this is the one. And this part normally took me around 10 to 15 minutes to have like a brief idea. Yeah, so this is the one. Okay, so now I just turn into the second part, put the image into the watercolor paper, and you can see I start with the hair. I choose the purple color for this girl's hair, and then I start to do a little bit detail of the trees and plants. So it's really a good idea to start with the light colors because we can add more detail and the darker colors later. And so for these light colors, we can easily to set the tone for the whole painting. And after this basic layer has dried, then we just add more colors. And sometimes you can also like add dark colors before the basic layer has dried and make it very different and unique texture. So we can just like always have a try because we don't know like what's going on unless we try it. Yeah, so I think this is the interesting part of the painting. So this painting reminds me the previous lifestyle in Hobart. So the Hobart city, which I have studied and lived there for 5 years. Um, so it's a nice and very quiet city. Not too many people, but we have lots of green area, plenty of trees. So every day when I open the window, I can see lots of trees outside. So this is the basic idea which I get from. Okay, so this is all for today. Just let me know what kind of content you like, and also you can subscribe my Instagram for more details. It's just below. And have a nice day. I will see you next week. Bye.